kind of vibes this?
Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning to you. Hello. And how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you, baby Ivy. Good morning, Ivy. You dancing already and it's not even 8 o'clock? Oh my. Good morning, everybody. Just put on Netflix, please. Oh boy. Morning, guys. We have such a busy day today, and I'm not sure how we're going to capture all of it, but we're going to do our best to do that. Yesterday we went to the CVM Seed Happen Tour. Last night we went. It was in Portmore. It was a really good turnout and really good vibes. And the boys had rehearsal for most of the day yesterday because, as you know, their Christmas play is coming up, and they also have rehearsals today. So they're working hard on that. If you guys are interested in seeing the Christmas show that Voice Box is putting on, I'll put up a flyer so you can see how you can be a part of it. So they're working really hard. They're sounding so amazing. Like, a couple times my eyes welled up listening to them because I happened to be in and out of the rehearsal yesterday. So it's just going super well. So I'm happy for them. And today we actually have the live Q&A for the final part of our VM Foundation series, Positive Parenting series. So that's happening today as well. So yeah, I am hoping that we can get this all together and all done. It's gonna be great. All right, but for now, I'm having some coffee. Ivy's walking around, as you can see. We packed up so much of her stuff yesterday, as in, like, you know, bottles she doesn't use anymore and all that stuff. What you can't believe?
About Gigantosaurus on the game.
Gigantosaurus on the game?
Yeah.
I didn't see that.
It's right there.
Oh, okay, got it.
Last time we were at the airport going back to Colorado.
Uh-huh.
And make sure to subscribe
Okay.
and comment down below.
Thank you for that. You always give the good reminders. Thank you. Ivy, you have anything to say? No? Cool. Okay. Oh. Okay. Who is awake? It's so funny to me because Atlas is probably the only one that picks up Ivy. It's so funny. Watch here. When you laugh about Ivy, get joke? These two are also super close. She has a very special bond with each of the boys, and it's amazing to watch. Yeah. And she's really becoming a part of the gang, you know. No hitting, no hitting. You have to tell her no hitting, okay, Atlas?
No hitting.
Yeah, because it hurts. What? Oh my, look who's awake too. And sneaking out a little cereal for the little sister. Oh my. Say ta. Say thank you, Jackson. Jackson, tell us how Ivy says Jackson.
Doctor.
How does she say Atlas? How does she say Ozzy? No, Oi.
Oi.
And how does she say Gio?
Gio.
She don't say Gio so nice. She always a shout Gio name. Gio!
Gio. Gio.
Oh.
Gio.
Yes. Say Gio. Call Gio, Ivy. Oh, that is very cool.
That's a butterscotch. It's supposed to be a dog.
It's very good, Atlas.
Nice.
Very good dog.
I like it.
You going to get Daddy? Go on. Let me hold your water bottle. Go on. I'm watching you. Go ahead. Climb up. Ivy's coming to find Daddy. Go on. Go on. Go with her.
Go find Daddy.
She's coming. All right. Up you get. Good girl. Go on then. Go get Dada. Da.
What going MTM family? Okay, so it is Sunday and it is the Sunday before December, the last Sunday before December hits. So you know, December, Christmas season now wait for nobody. Today we have a busy day. We're doing a shoot actually for our Christmas intro. Yes, so excitement today. We're gonna have some camera guys coming in very soon. It's been a very eventful weekend so far. Yesterday we were in Portmore. We did a road show for CVM. Momo, where are you going with from weekend?
I'm going with the weekend.
From weekend, since weekend.
Just I eat.
Just I eat. Just I eat, yes. So, all right, so yeah, as I said, today is going to be a busy day. We're going to see how much or what we can vlog. We also have a live session to do, so we're going to be going live later on today. Yeah, man, a bag of things.
Going live later on today.
What is it?
Mommy and Daddy are going live later on.
You know, is that a plane simulation?
How'd you know? It's called Flight Simulator.
Oh, for you?
Yes.
Are you going to be a pilot when you get bigger?
I was just about to say that.
I'm
I'm gonna be a pilot. I'm gonna be a pilot.
Oh, nice. Which country are you going to fly me to first?
I'm gonna fly to Florida.
Yeah. Tami, where are you going with?
Try and get everything together.
Yeah.
I'm going to leave for Ozzy and these for Atlas.
Gio, where are you going with?
Original.
Baddest Parish?
You more tell about it now?
Me here all last night you drink porridge, Gio.
You know?
Last night?
Yeah.
Which parish that?
Momo draw porridge last night too.
Oh, yeah, I say.
But I made that. Yeah, egg and cheese sandwich.
Okay.
With chipotle aioli. Chefing. Yeah.
People, them, they want to update by your water fast.
You may have to break it, man.
Yeah, them, they just want to update how far you reach.
Go with 48 hours
40
water
hours.
alone. Good little milestone, you know?
Yeah, tell me you're better than me.
People don't ever try it, man. It's nice, man. You don't feel no loss in energy. You feel A-okay.
Really?
Yeah. Every day we play pickleball same way. Fine.
True. Yeah, you go on good same way. Yeah, tell you.
Alright guys, so we have begun shooting for the... No, put her down. She's not going to be in the shot. We have begun shooting for the intro. That's what we're doing. Wayne, you told them we're shooting for the intro, right?
Yeah.
Can I show them Ivy's outfit or no? So
Oh
cute.
gosh, yeah, no, but you can show them my outfit
Watch
though.
out, watch out, watch
Me
out,
in a
watch out.
turkey neck. When you see me got turkey neck, you know it's a Christmas, right?
That's so funny. Anyway, the boys are setting up to do a little shot there now. So yeah, and Momo is over there hiding, waiting to do her shot.
And what you think about Momo? You think you're not on the script, you know? Momo look like
I love it.
it's like Hollywood.
Oh, there's the back of Ivy's outfit. So cute. Put some nice gift bags by the Christmas tree as well to make it feel like it's actually Christmas Day or Christmas morning. So yeah, but they're all empty. But I'm gonna use them for actual gifts. So yeah. Turkey neck, when is this going to be ready for? December 1? We're gonna have an intro for December 1?
Then I want
When is December 1? What day? Friday? Friday is December 1? You know, so tomorrow is Pop's birthday? Guys, it's Monday, which means you're watching this on Pop's birthday. Wish a happy birthday to Pop in the comments. Maybe we can see him today, hopefully. It was such a busy day. But if not, we'll definitely link him tomorrow. Daddy, if you're watching this, happy birthday. I love you.
happy birthday, Pops. We love you. You know that.
Happy birthday, Pops.
Say, I love you.
Love you.
Say, Pops. Can you say Pops? No. Okay.
Pops, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Love you.
In case you ever wonder what happens in between takes and behind the scenes, everybody crashes. I'm having a coffee and it's so yummy. And Momo has Ivy, who we're trying to keep awake because you know it's normally her nap time now. Ozzy, too many crumbs. Go sit down with it. Go sit down with it, Baba. When you shooting over here. Christmas hat and everything. La-di-taka nice. If this is your first Christmas here, MTM, we do our own Christmas song sung by the one and only Tessa Chin, and we always shoot a Christmas intro. And for years now, this is the same team who have done it. So yeah, it's gonna be fun and it's gonna be festive. I now can't wait for Friday to come. So yeah, you're gonna enjoy it. Well, well, well. Look who dropped by this Christmas season.
I had to.
Dante, you were this close to being X'd out of the family picture. Dante doing him work. Yeah, we love that. We love that. We get it. We get it. Nobody's happier than this guy. Okay, so I'm all changed and we are getting ready to do our live with VM Foundation for the Positive Parenting series. This is the finale that's actually going to air before, and then we're going to a live Q&A, and we're praying that the kids are cooperative. You know how it can be already, but we know you guys know, and we know that anybody tuning in, hey, it is about parenting. And so yeah, we're gonna be doing that. I'm actually making lunch for the kids right now. It's a little late, but they've been kind of eating and snacking all day, so we're doing that now. Ivy is getting a nap, and then we are just gonna get ready to do that. So see you in a few.
All right, so the first shoot is done, and now we're almost set up for the second shoot that we're gonna do, which is a live. So we're going live now in support of the Positive Parenting series that we did with VM Group. I know some of you may have gone over there and seen the series. If you haven't, you can go over to VM Group YouTube page right now and look what's going on. And don't forget, today is a Monday, so you know the cut is on tonight and it's the season finale. And we're going out with a bang, people. We'll have Beanie Man tonight on at 8 p.m. on CVM, and then we'll upload on YouTube on Wednesday if you can't catch it live on CVM. So yeah, bag of thing and go on. You don't know, we'll stay busy and do the thing. You see me? It's a Sunday, but no rest for the wicked, as them say. Or why them say no rest for the wicked? No rest for the hardworking. Yeah, that sounds better. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. So the live session is done. Maybe some of you were able to catch the live, because you know it got MTM, support MTM wherever we go. Samantha, how was that? That was good. Your first live?
My first live.
You're going good. You're going good. Andre, big up yourself.
I made it.
Admin for the day, Andre. And the kids were great and everything worked well. Yeah, I know we're thirsty. I want some water.
Oh my God. Thank you.
And big up the crew too. Big up the Aperian crew. That is it. Top. Yeah. So they edited and presented all of the content on the VM page. So you can go check it out. You get me? Time to clean up and clear up and get back to our Sunday. Oh, Jesus, please. Me have project for do. Me have science project for do.
You have a science project to do. I'm so mad at you.
No, what? I'm going to get it very much done. Remember saying, alright, people, now give you a fun fact I want to know about. You see in Barbados right now, where's the headquarters of Caribbean Examination Council, or whatever you want to call it, CXC. They have on display one of my SPAs that I did. Listen, it was handwritten, where 95% of the SPAs are typed out and printed and stuff. Mine is handwritten and still on display to this day because of how well it was executed. Do you understand? Have faith in me. I'm a professional, okay?
Whatever.
Happy birthday, Pops. I wish you a very good birthday. Happy birthday, Pops. I hope you have the best birthday ever. I love you from Atlas.
Say happy birthday, Pops.
Yeah.
Day to you. Happy. Sing it. Happy birthday to you. Watch out. She said, how old are you now?
How old are you now?
Good singing. Yay. Pop's gonna love that.
My youth, what do you really look for in a mirror? You never see yourself when you match him, you know? Forward there, cause in devil like on a trim good. Come. Let me see what I go. Let me charge you for that? Let me see your trim. Turn on. Away your trim.
Bro.
Turn all the way around.
It's a taper, man.
Away your trim.
No.
Yo, the man faded him hairline.
No.
You faded the lineup, bro. Like,
No.
what the heck? Cha. Him going a half though.
Yeah, something like that.
At last, come make we done this thing. I'm stressed right out. You know, this I go for my glasses. Right now, me in a nerd mode. You have to have the patience of Job. For do them work here with Atlas.
No, you also have to have the wisdom to not tackle a project in one go. But I left it in your trusty hands.
Remember say, wisdom is just 3 letters short of dumb.
Who don't know?
Berna. Come my you, let's work, let's finish this. No, we don't know. Look who is in town. Gio mommy come surprise the G. Oh my God. What kind of vibes is this?
Look at him turning into a baby.
Him turn baby people. Him turn baby. My 18-year-old gone right back at 8. I'm sure this. Jaja. Yeah, what you say? Reunited. Reunited. I say it, go. You have to say hello to MTM family. You know it, go.
Hello.
You know it, go.
We love it, long time.
Yeah. You're pretty as ever, Regina. I know everybody in the comment section will be like, yo, Gia mother pretty.
It's crazy. And it's been about 3 years since Regina's been to Jamaica.
Yeah.
So she don't even know the house like this. Like she hasn't seen any of this.
Exactly.
So
It's Ivy, I wanted to see.
I know.
I
Come
know.
back tomorrow.
Yeah, you have to come back tomorrow.
I know.
Come back a little earlier so we'll make sure say you get to see her. Yeah.
Oh, that was so nice to see Regina.
Don't
We
it?
didn't capture when they had just seen each other because when she came, oh my God, Jackson and Atlas were so excited to see her.
know.
And they were literally right in front of Gio and got to her first. But that was so nice. I love that. Really love that. So Gio's off now to go, enjoy his time with his mama.
That's nice.
So sweet, so special. I do have to go and pick up something at Montana though. I don't have any dog food. So you think you could have sent me to go get that, no?
Okay.
It's like we just never stop going.
Yeah, tell you.
It's 8 o'clock at night and I'm like, I can't wait till tomorrow because you won't have any food if I don't go tonight. So you finish the project? People?
The
I don't
project
know
I'll
what to
have
say.
song for writing,
Alright?
a drama project this
I don't
year.
have anything to
Alright.
say. Good though.
It's a lot, but he did so good. Atlas did so good. He really impressed me with his writing, with his spelling.
Like just brush through it. Just
Yeah,
to show them.
and even him remembering what his project objectives were and what we were doing over the week, because that's what we had to kind of write down as we go along. Oh my goodness.
If we just bring teacher and watch a vlog, do.
No, what do you mean? So remember, so we were,
leave it to one day.
no, but we were making our notes each day.
True.
We were making our notes each day,
Fine.
and then we said we'd culminate everything. We still have one more with him there. We have song for right people, a drama, but that's my area of specialty. So them can't beat me bad there. So it's a sad seed song though. It's a sad seed song. It's going to have to be. Because them see that is very stubborn.
You know, I'm one of them all get moldy.
A beer sitting people.
One seeds of life.
Anyway, we move.